One of the things I also hear about extinction working or being a necessary part of our science is that it's part of shaping. So, is it? This is a video I have to do in 2 parts. Maybe I should do more, but first, we're just gonna look at some definitions, and then in the second video, I'll dive in a bit more on the actual analysis. So shaping, by definition, is reinforcing successive approximations to a goal, right? And it makes use of differential reinforcement, where members of a response class, certain response class, receive reinforcement, and members of other response classes do not receive reinforcement. But here's the important part. Differential reinforcement does not require extinction. It's called differential for a reason. You can differentiate the amount of reinforcement you're giving, the quality of reinforcement you're giving, the intensity of the reinforcement you're giving. There's a whole lot of different ways to differentiate the reinforcement that does not require you to stop providing it. The idea that you would have to apply full-on extinction where certain responses no longer receive reinforcement is not actually part of the definition of shaping or differential reinforcement. It is an add-on procedure that people tend to incorporate when using shaping and or differential reinforcement. And shouldn't be any surprise, but research has examined whether or not extinction is necessary when using differential reinforcement, and currently the research shows that it's not, and that also it's not even recommended because of the side effects of extinction. So if you've been told that shaping requires extinction, that's not entirely true. You can have a shaping procedure where you just provide less reinforcement or different reinforcement for certain responses. And that's a pretty big deal, especially when we're working with humans.